back to Crafting with Pretty Designs. I'm so glad you're here. In this video, I'm going to show you quickly how to create a tumbler wrap and also how to enhance the colors so that the colors will be bright and vibrant, so that when you sublimate it on your tumbler will look good and everyone will love it. Stay tuned with me. Let's go. Okay, here I am in Silhouette Studio. I am going to create a tumbler wrap like I said. So I will change my page. I will go over here to page setup and I will go to media. That's our page, and I will select letter 8.5 and I will have it in landscape orientation because for the wrap it should be in landscape orientation. And I will go to print border because I want to see what my print border is. You see, my print border is not good. It should be all over the paper, like here, inside of the page. So let's go fix it. You fix it by going to File, Page Setup. Our page is 8.5 by 11. So you see here, paper size. We go in here. We choose 8.5 by 11. And it's in landscape, and you choose where you put it in your printer. If it's the cassettes, the first cassette, the second, the rear feeder, and all those things you choose. Okay, and then you click OK. Let's click OK. And this is not what we want. I think I clicked something wrong. I'll go back. Print page set up 8.5 by 11. Yes, right here. And click OK. Okay, and I will click it out and I will put it back. Let's see something. Okay. Yeah. Then I click, well, I'll change the orientation a little bit and I come back to it and then fix. Okay. Now I'm going to bring in my image. I'll go to File, Merge. I'll bring it right in here. And I'll choose my image. Okay, this is my image. This is my AI image. It's a square. You see it here. And to change it, I'm going to lock it right here. Keep it locked. And then we will change the size. The width for my tumbler, like to wrap around it, I will keep it on 9.4. So I will write here 9.4. Okay. So the other side will be 9.42, but it doesn't matter because the print border will cut it off for us. And then I will keep this selected and I'll go here and I'll put it in the middle. So everything within the print border is what is going to print. So actually when it's like this, the only thing you have to change on it is the color and you're good to go. Okay, we're going to enhance the color right now. You go here to the panel. You count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The sixth one. Select it. Okay. And then we will choose the third one that looks like the sun. And then we have here brightness, contrast, and saturation. Brightness is to make the color brighter. Contrast is like to show the contrast of two colors. Like one will be darker and one will be lighter. And saturation, yeah, is to let the color be vibrant and everything. Okay, I'm going to start here. You see, they are working together. I'll make it a little bit brighter. Okay, let me cancel it. I will make a copy of this and put it here. You see, I canceled it. It's on 0. Okay, and then we're going to work on this one. Let's go. We're going to work on this one. I'll select it and I'll go here and then I'll make it brighter. You see it's getting brighter. And the contrast, I'll upgrade the contrast. You see here is becoming more colorful. And then the saturation, You see the difference? Do you see the difference? Look at this flower and this flower. Look at this one and this one. Look this one and this one. Look at her face. Look at her dress. Look at it. You see how beautiful it is? So you can come here. Let me select it again. You can come here and enhance the color of your image, like the make it vibrant, make it more bright. Tell me, if you press this on a tumbler and you press this on a tumbler, which one will your customer like the most? This one. Surely this one. You see her face is so clean here. Her hair is darker. The flowers around her are more vibrant and everything. So after we're done with this, we apply it. When we apply it, everything come back to 0. Okay, don't worry about that. But you see the difference, right? Let's delete this one. And this one is the pattern already, the wrap for the tumbler. We're going to save it. I'm working in Silhouette Studio Business Edition. And if you don't have Silhouette Business Edition, I will leave the link for you down there where you can order it. It's only one-time payment. And when you purchase it, you will have it for the rest of your life. You can leave it for your daughter, for your granddaughter, for your grandson. You have it for life, so you can play in it and change colors and everything. Okay, let's go there. Let's save it really quick. File, save as. I'll save it to my hard drive, to my computer, and I'll name her Pretty Barbie, Pretty Black Barbie. You can name, yeah. And I'll save her as a PNG, okay? And I click OK. And then the system will ask me dot per inch, how much do you want? I will put it on 300. And transparent background, yes, I want that. And I'll put it here. And I'll click save. Okay, and now I'll go onto my computer and I'll show you this design. And this design is right here. Come on now. Yeah, this is our design, our tumbler wrap. Okay, so this is how you do it. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, let me know. And if you want to see a video that I sublimate a tumbler on, I will link it right up here for you. Thank you so much. Go and watch it and sublimate a perfect tumbler. Thank you.